Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm giving you this Valentine's Day inspired extra AF look. I'm not gonna lie, it took some time getting here, but I'm excited with how it came out. I'm proud of myself. You know, it's a learning path. I've never written in cursive with eyeliner, so you know there's a first time for everything, right? Yeah, so if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching because I'm tired. Just keep watching. I just want to start this off by saying I don't have a clue as to what I'm doing. Just want to make that abundantly clear. I want to do. I just want to do something. I'm gonna like tap into like my creative side, and I want to like keep on the Valentine's Day vibe. So really just like a therapy session for me. So we're just gonna go with whatever pops in my head. I don't know why I just put this base on like this. This is the PLouise base number 2. And it just, I don't know, that kind of just like gave me something. So we're gonna go with like this, I guess. I don't know. We'll see where this takes us. Okay, today I want to use the Sample Beauty Painters palette. I haven't got to play with this a lot. Yeah, so I want to use it. It is just everything to me. And when I tell you everything, I do mean everything. Just like look at her. So pretty. I've only got to use Leo here, the bright red. So I'm gonna play with like the pink and the purple. I want to keep this, like I said, Valentine's Day-esque, I think, but who knows? I might end up with green. I mean, my head is like everywhere right now. So honestly, just buckle up, kids. We'll know where we're at when the video is over. So I'm going to grab, this is it. I'm gonna grab this little pointer wifey brush here, and I'm gonna take the shade, is this Cadders or Caters? I don't know. Cadders. It's this deep wine shade of purple here. I'm gonna set this up here on my little stand. Looks like that. Really pretty. So I'm just gonna pack this directly above my crease, and I think I'm gonna go with that shape I had at first, that little squiggly line. Let's take this really soft blender from Bestoke. I'm gonna take one of their brushes, and I think I want, I don't know. Let's take the shade Prince, which is this purple right here, this really pretty purple. And then, just for reference, because then I'm gonna go in with Pop. It's a light pastel right here. So yeah, first we're taking Prince, and it's like this royal purple. My brush. And I'm taking it halfway on top of Cadders. And we're just starting to slowly blend that out. All right, and from there, I'm grabbing another little blender brush, and I'm taking the lavender color here, Pop. And I really like to get this color down like a lot before I start to blend it out, because when you have really soft like colors like these pastel shades, you can really lose them. So what you want to do is you just want to put them on there and then just like dust it out just a little bit, and you may have to do that a couple of times to get it to the desired level that you want. But for me, I just want like something here just to, you know, soften my edges a little bit. And I'm going right back with prints on this brush just to kind of like see how like it looks like that, just to, you know, bring them together as one. Okay, this is where we're at. I feel really drag-esque. I feel like it's like so light around my brows. I like it. So I'm going to take the previous brush that I had the color Catters on, and I'm gonna go in there with a little bit more Catters just to, you know, really deepen up in that socket. So just a little more Catters just to, you know, keep it nice and dark right there. Just so, you know, you still get the of it all. And I kind of want to take a little bit of Smoky, which is the beautiful matte black, just a little bit on the same brush that Catters was on, just so like the essence of Catters is still underneath there, and it just, you know, deepens it up a little bit. And I'm gonna pop this slightly below, but still in the socket area, like right in that, like in the socket, not the crease, because the crease is slightly above it. The crease is like the skin above it where it starts to fold. So I'm gonna take it in the socket, like in the eye. And I'm not taking it all the way over like I did previously. Kind of just like poking it in there. And then to keep it clean, I'm putting Catters right back on top with the same brush on top of the Smoky. And I'm kind of just like dotting it on there and then wiggling it a little bit. Almost like if you was poking something to see if it was dead, like you just like, that's kind of like how I'm doing it. Not that I poked something to see if it was dead or not, but like in the movies, how they, whatever. So I'm grabbing my PLouise base in the Basic Brights collection, and I'm taking Winter Rose, and I am putting the box back, and I am popping her here on the back of my hand, like that. I think that's enough. I don't know what I'm doing, but we'll make it work. So I am going to grab the cleanest flat brush I can find. Okay, so this little brush here came out like a brush kit from the Dollar Tree actually, and I love it. I bought like 10 of them just to have these tiny little brushes. They're so good. So I'm taking the base as usual, working it into the brush, and then I just like to come on the side here and just like really flatten my bristles, just so that it is super smooth and ready to go to work. Okay, so I think I want to do like the thing, like a full cut crease like this. We're just gonna go with it. I don't know. So I'm patting this on the lid first. All right, this is what we look like. Oh my god, what the hell is this? I don't know. I don't know what I've done. I don't know what this is. Oh, what is this? I'm gonna do a little bit of canvas. This is the white shade. I'm gonna do a little of this, right? And then I'm gonna blend that out with this pink, and then I'm gonna smoke this hotter pink all the way out back here, and then I'm gonna throw a white line on top of it, and it's gonna be okay. And she's so pretty. It's a really pretty hot pink, and I'm packing her back here. So I'm taking this heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay, in the shade Grind. So I am about to test my skills. I want to put the word love right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my area, and I'm just gonna take some more of the hot pink color JoJo right here, and I'm gonna kind of turn to the side so I can get like you guys to see. Okay. If I mess this up, it's okay. If I mess this up, it is okay. So we're gonna just line a little bit. I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie. This is the NYX matte liquid liner, and I am going to all right, that's the L. I don't know if you can see that. So before I move on to the O, I'm going to clean up my L and connect it to the liner here. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna grab the Jordana cat eye liquid liner just because the brush is a little bit flimsier, so it moves a little bit better. Okay, so there is the first piece of the O. I know it just looks like a smudge, but all you need is a little bit to get you going. So I'm gonna take some of the pink shadow and just clean up right here where it looks really ugly at. Okay, so now I got my base down, right? LOVE. And now I just have to go in and detail it and clean it up to make it really, you know, look like cursive writing. The details is always the hardest, but I like where it's going. What do we think? If y'all think I'm about to do this on this side, you're dead wrong. Okay. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do like a drawn out one over here. Or am I? I don't think so. All right, so we're just gonna do this side as like a half cut crease, and then like I want to draw something else. I didn't even know like I could draw I don't know how to draw, but I know how to, it's hard to say. I don't know how to draw, but I know how to look at something and recreate it. Does that make sense? So we are gonna throw on a little quick face. Be right back. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of Prince underneath the eye. All right, so I'm going in with a shorter lash. I'm taking my Lilly lashes, the Mykonos. And because I haven't used this in so long and I just saw it in my thing, I'm taking the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter. It's like, as you can see, really scuffed up, but it's okay. She's still that bitch. So we're just gonna take a little bit of her. Too much. And for my gloss, I'm taking the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick from Wet n Wild. This one's in the shade Sand Nude. Alright guys, so this is the final look. You know, you got your normal and then you got your like extra AF over here. Yeah, it's like really growing on me. So even if you don't do like the extraness, you can still do this side, and I feel like it'll be really cute with or without the glitter. Honestly, it'll be cute. So now that I can breathe, my heart attack is over. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you thought of the look. And I'll see y'all in my next video.